Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can raise your hand on the Zoom app. So once you join the meeting, just like hover your mouse until you see this tab. Select the react, don't select this arrow. Select react and raise your hand, and the host or whoever is the teacher will be able to see who has raised their hand and they can answer your questions. Once it's answered, make sure you lower your hand when you're done so that the teacher doesn't get confused. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!